Chamfering means what? Giving a small amount of taper to the edge of the workpiece. So why this such kind of chamfering is useful? Many times if you observe, I will give you one example. If suppose you have a threaded bolt, on a threaded bolt, when the threads will end, when the after at the end of the threading portion, there is a small amount of taper is provided at the end of threaded portion of the bolt. For what purpose it is kept? Because when you want to insert a nut over the threaded bolt, when you want to rotate a nut over a threaded bolt, there should be a smooth pass. So there should be the moment of a nut over this threaded rod, it should be easily passed. Freely the nut should turn over the threaded portion. So you have seen such applications, means whenever there is a threaded end, a small amount of taper is provided at the end. And because of that taper, small amount of taper, a nut that we are moving that nut over the bolt, then it will easily pass, freely pass over that threaded end. So meaning is what? Everybody know, the threaded bolt is having external threading and a nut is having internal threading. And now whenever this nut is rotating over the threaded end, threaded bolt, it should pass freely over the threaded portion of the workpiece or threaded portion of the bolt. Nut can easily pass. For that purpose, at the end of threaded end portion of the bolt, there is a small angle of taper, and that is called as chamfering. That is called as a chamfering. So here, what is chamfering? Chamfering is nothing but providing beveling or the operation of beveling, which is at extreme end of the workpiece. And such kind of small amount of taper, if you see, generally it is of a 45 degree. A 45 degree inclination taper is provided, or the inclined surface is generated at the end of the workpiece, cylindrical workpiece, that is called as a chamfer. You can observe here, symbolically it is shown. Here it is a workpiece. It is kept in a center. This is the cutting tool that we are using, but this type of cutting tool is not a single point cutting tool. This cutting tool, we can call it as a chamfering tool. So chamfering tool is useful. Chamfering tool is how the shape of chamfering tool. Chamfered tool is having a cutting edge at an inclined position. A cutting edge to the chamfering tool is at an angle of 45 degree. And when just it is, you can observe, we have seen one example of a form cutting tool. Form cutting tool in a taper turning operation. So we are providing the inclined cutting edge. A similar way, chamfering, we can observe the chamfer is provided, or an inclined edge is given to the cutting tool, and when you press against the rotation of the workpiece, then there will be a beveled surface created, tapered surface created at the end of workpiece. So that's why this operation is called as a chamfering operation. Chamfering means providing a small amount of taper or inclined surface or a beveled surface at the end of the workpiece. We are using a chamfered tool or a form tool for such kind of a taper turning operation. And what is the purpose of such kind of chamfering operation? That I told you, chamfering is essential operation. Whenever there is a thread cutting operation on threaded bolt portion, or we can say on any cylindrical workpiece, if you have generated the threaded portion, then at the end of that, we are providing the chamfering operation, so that a nut which we are pressing over the threaded end, easily that nut can pass without any friction. So this is the application of a chamfering operation.